Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss Nishtha 3.0 FLN course 10th School Leadership for Foundational Literacy and Numeracy, all 40 quiz question and answers. In the previous video, I have also uploaded Module 9 Final Assessment Answers. The video is available on the channel and link is also in description, so you can check there also. Now, before starting the video, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell icon so that you will receive all upcoming course answers videos notification. Now let's see all the quiz answers. First question: ability to read the text with accuracy, speed, expression and comprehension that allows children to make meaning from text refers to. The correct answer is reading fluency. Next question: school leadership can. The correct answer is build strong foundational learning competencies among children. Next question: which of these is not part of the framework on pedagogical leadership? The correct answer is leading experimentation in science laboratories. Next question: a school leader can engage children of 3 to 6 years of age group through. The correct answer is play-based pedagogies. Next question: the concept of foundational literacy and numeracy applies to children of. The correct answer is 3 to 9 years of age group. Next question: a school leader must organize assessment of children of 3 to 9 years of age group for. The correct answer is assessing their strength, needs and interests. Next question: grade 3 is an important learning stage for children as it signifies shift from. The correct answer is learn to read to learn. Next question: one of the appropriate strategies for assessment of learning of children of 3 to 9 years of age group would be through. The correct answer is observation of children on their multiple activities. Next question: pedagogical leadership is a comprehensive field of expertise wherein a leader needs to possess. The correct answer is in-depth knowledge of pedagogies useful for children of 3 to 9 years of age. Next question: which model for school leadership for strengthening FLN is not appropriate? The correct answer is academic leadership. Next question: pedagogical leaders must ensure that in all school processes the correct answer is child is at the center. Next question: the role of a pedagogical leader is to. The correct answer is coach teachers on various pedagogical practices for children. Next question: which of these pedagogies is not relevant for children of 3 to 9 years of age group? The correct answer is Socrates dialogue. Next question: attribute of a school leader which is not suitable for foundational stage learning. The correct answer is authoritative. Next question: one of the features of collaborative leadership is. The correct answer is creation of mutual trust and respect among stakeholders. Next question: a child writes with his/her left hand and is comfortable doing things with it. He must be. The correct answer is encourage his/her preference. Next question: which of the following is not the developmental goal of FLN? The correct answer is children become effective readers. Next question: which skill can be considered as gateway skill that marks the entry of a child into the formal schooling processes? The correct answer is foundational literacy and numeracy skills. Next question: which of these is not a type of involvement between school, family, community? The correct answer is participating. Next question: how schools cannot involve varied families in child education? The correct answer is by just giving homework to students. Next question: teachers must introduce new information and relate it with what children? The correct answer is already know. Next question: how can the school leader build effective relations with preschool teachers? The correct answer is discussing and planning with teachers around developmental needs of children. Next question: which of the following classroom practices would be developmentally appropriate for children of foundational age? The correct answer is introducing new concepts gradually. Next question: Which of these is essential for school developmental plan in the context of FLN? The correct answer is planning for the developmental needs of children of 3 to 9 years of age group. Next question. What must be the correct attitude of a leader while dealing with children of 3 to 9 years of age group? The correct answer is a positive and flexible mindset. Next question. Pedagogical leadership positively impacts. The correct answer is learning competency of children. Next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an adaptive leader? The correct answer is not listening to people. Next question. Which of the following is not included in the involvement type of learning at home? The correct answer is discriminate parents if they are illiterate. Next question. The involvement type of communicating includes. The correct answer is discussing children portfolio with parents on a regular basis. Next question. Which of the following statement about vision is not true? The correct answer is vision does not have any specified time frame. Next question. Collaborative processes with stakeholders can encourage. The correct answer is shared accountability for student learning outcomes. Next question. Which of these is not true for transformational leadership? The correct answer is financial management. Next question. Children's ability to reason and to apply simple numerical concepts in daily life can be considered as a part of. The correct answer is foundational numeracy. Next question. Leaders who believe in effective school parent engagement are more likely to state that. The correct answer is all parents can support their children. Next question. School development plan is a school-based activity that is carried out by the school leader. The correct answer is collaboratively with students, teachers, parents, community and SMC members. Next question. Identify the term which can be understood as the adding up of learning gap in a child progression in school. The correct answer is cumulative learning deficit. Next question. In which model of leadership one talks about designing school processes based on cultural and linguistic background of children? The correct answer is context-specific leadership. Next question. What must be the relationship between the adult and the child in the context of FLN? The correct answer is fear-free and joyous. Next question. Which of these concepts is not relevant to leading FLN in schools? The correct answer is not communicating with community and parents. Next question. To maintain the morning arrival period to school, which strategy must be adopted by teacher of first grade? The correct answer is establishing routine arrival tasks for children such as group reading so that they are encouraged to come on time. Now you can answer any 20 questions correctly which will be asked from these 40 question set and score 20 marks out of 20. So that's all in today's video. Please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Jai Hind.